Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Joint. Today, we're going to show you how to adjust the outside rearview mirrors on your Kia Sportage. Properly adjusted mirrors are essential for safe driving and maximizing your field of vision. So, whether you're a new Sportage owner or you've had your car for a while, this video will guide you through the simple process of adjusting your side mirrors. Let's get started. The mirror control switch is located on the driver's side door panel. It's a small pad with arrows. Your Sportage have two side mirrors, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger's side. To adjust a specific mirror, press the corresponding side of the control switch. For example, to adjust the left side mirror, press the L side of the switch, and for the right side mirror, press the R side. This allows you to adjust the side mirrors individually. To adjust the position of the mirror, press the arrow buttons. Keep your eyes on the mirror and stop when you have the desired view of the road behind you. Remember, the goal is to eliminate blind spots and ensure you have a clear view. Once you're satisfied with the mirror position, move the adjustment switch back to its default center position to lock the mirrors in place. This prevents accidental adjustments while driving. Keep in mind the mirrors stop moving when they reach the maximum adjusting angles, but the motor continues to operate while the switch is pressed. Do not press the switch longer than necessary, the motor may be damaged. Also, do not attempt to adjust the outside rearview mirror by hand. Doing so may damage the parts. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the side mirrors on your Kia Sportage. Properly adjusted mirrors enhance your driving safety and visibility, so it's essential to get them just right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more car tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.